Good, beautiful morning. It is a nice day today, and we are headed over to the Gorge to go see if we can get some. We can just canyon carve a little bit. It's been a while since I've been on Kiwi. Kiwi is my 2009 Kawasaki Versys. It's not too bad this morning. It's about 60 degrees, maybe 56 still. It's going to be about 60 degrees by about 9:30. It's just around 9 o'clock. So it's a little chilly, a little on the chilly side, so put some light gloves on. I don't really have anything heavy. I don't have any gear that's heavier duty than this, so I just have some light gloves. Keep it nice. I did put on my windbreaker and my jacket, so that should keep me nice and warm. Again, it's over 50 degrees. It shouldn't be a huge issue.